In this video, I'm going to go through the TradesLink wallet functionality. This will be a short video that will show you how to send off the wallet to one of your workers. So in here, I have Brian Bailey. I already have provided access. Let's see if Sophia Bennett has access to a wallet. No, she does not. So let's go ahead and share access. We can give access to the specific worker, or if somebody else that needs to see their information requires access, we can provide that as well. In this case, I will just enter in Sophia at TradesLink.com. And this is going to send her an email with a link that you can access on her mobile device. What that link looks like when they've clicked on it is very similar to this page in here. I'm just going to just change this over to a slightly different view so you can see what this will look like actually on mobile. Okay, so this is how it will actually look for them on their mobile device in here. Right now, they have access to their credentials and certificates, a feature that we're pushing here later this week. This is the week of November 10th, is going to be their ability to actually provide time logs for specific job sites that they're on. Credentials and certificates, though, we see in here that information. Now, Sophia does not have any actual documents attached to it, so she's not able to open it and see it, and therefore we would want to make sure that they actually have the documents that they require. I'm going to go ahead and close this one here, and I will use Brian Bailey as our example, because Brian Bailey has a number of credentials and certificates. And if I go credentials and certificates, we can see which ones he actually has the ability to view within here. So if they go to click on this within their mobile device, they can see that specific certification in there, and they're able to maximize as you see fit. Okay, if I click on this, we'll be brought back to our homepage where they will then be able to click on the ability to add time logs for any crews that they are a part of. Okay, so I'll close that. And that is basically the summary of the TradesLink wallet. This is, and you can also revoke access as well. So if I click on this and I click delete, this is going to remove access for this particular worker to a wallet that you might be managing for them.